Okay, so we're starting off with 2 packages of our sugar cookie dough, and we're just gonna kind of flatten that down in our greased 9x13. All right, now this is gonna go in the oven at 350 for 15 minutes. Okay, so this was actually in the oven closer to 30 minutes, but I let it cool completely. And the next thing we're gonna add to this delicious, easy dessert is some Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake. This stuff is so delicious. We're gonna add a nice layer of this no-bake right on top of our sugar cookie. I've made this dessert in other variations, but I think this one is gonna be my favorite. So we're gonna add a generous amount of that no-bake cheesecake, and then we're gonna spread it from edge to edge. My whole house smells like a bakery. I absolutely love sugar cookie, and I love cheesecake. Okay, that looks perfect. Now we are gonna place this to the side and bring in a large bowl and a whisk. And in our large bowl, we're gonna add 1 box of white chocolate instant pudding and 1 box of lemon instant pudding right into our bowl. Now you can use whatever pudding flavors you prefer, but these are my favorite. Now we're gonna add 3 cups of milk. I have 2 of these little small, and we have to make sure that the milk is ice cold. You can use whatever milk you like though. And that looks like 3 cups perfect. We're gonna pour that right into our instant pudding and get to whisking it. We wanna make sure that it gets fully mixed in with that milk and that there's no little dry pieces floating around. We wanna make sure it starts to thicken, and this is gonna be delicious. So just make sure to really whisk it good. All right, and this is already thickened up. So we're gonna bring back our cookie cheesecake in our 13x9. And now we're gonna put that pudding right on top. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Cheesecake, lemon, and white chocolate. What is not to love? And that just came right out perfectly. And you guys know it. We're gonna spread that right on top of the cheesecake. Such beautiful flavors for spring, for summer, for year round. Honestly, I love lemon anything, and that's why this is gonna be one of my new favorite desserts. Look at that nice layer. It just covers up everything. Yummy. Okay. And we have one more thing we're gonna add, and I think you guys could probably guess it if you've been following me for a while. And that's some Cool Whip. You always gotta do a little bit of Cool Whip on these desserts. And I did the extra creamy today. Make sure it's thawed. And we're just gonna put little dollops so that we can spread it on top of our pudding nicely. Yummy. Obviously you can make your own homemade whipped cream. I say that every time, but I wanted this to be super quick, super easy. You could do everything homemade, the cookies, the cheesecake, the pudding, and the Cool Whip, but I'm just trying to give you guys some inspiration, and you guys can take it and go wherever you want with it. But let's spread this out. All right, that looks perfect. Now just to add a little fun flair, this is optional. I'm gonna add some yellow sprinkles, kind of play on the lemon theme. And we're just gonna put that right on top. You could do rainbow sprinkles, you could do some nuts on top, you could do some white chocolate chips, some golden Oreos crumbled up, some vanilla wafers crumbled up, but this is what I thought would be cute and fun and festive and what my family would like. And look how cute that is. You instantly know you're getting lemon in your dessert. All right, I'm gonna pop this in the fridge for 1 hour and then we'll be ready to enjoy. Oh my gosh, look at those layers real quick. Ooh, I cannot wait to dig in. Okay, first we're gonna cut our layers all the way down to the cookie, and I did grease the pan before we baked that cookie. I am not gonna lie, I only put that in there for like 30 minutes, so it's probably not completely set, but I cannot wait any longer. Ooh. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to dig in. You can see those beautiful layers right there. Pudding, cookie, cheesecake, Cool Whip. I'm so excited. Wow. That is delicious.